Should you buy used gear from Amazon? I will be discussing the pros and the cons along with things you should always look for before buying anything used. Hi guys, it's the mini Photog, and if you're like me on a tight budget but you still want to spend on getting gear that will up the quality of your photography or video, then stay right where you are. Amazon has become my main source of buying photography gear with deals that I've continued to find unbeatable, from new to used items. But this video, we're just going to be talking about buying used. So Amazon has various options. When buying used, you can buy it directly from them, which is called Amazon Warehouse. I find the used items coming from them to still be in great condition, as they mention things about the product, like if the packaging will be damaged or that there are scuff marks on the item itself. They unfortunately don't provide any pictures, but I've come to trust their word. You also have that guarantee return within 30 days if there is something wrong with it. Another option is third-party sellers. I've bought a couple items from the third-party sellers and I hadn't had any issues. The sellers do provide a lot of images and more details of the item, so you can check it before buying. You can also directly email the seller if you have any questions. Like on eBay, be sure to view the seller's profile. I always check to see their recent ratings, and if the seller has a lot of negative reviews, I don't purchase from them. The only thing is that if the item isn't fulfilled by Amazon, there is no guarantee return. You will have to contact the seller directly. What that means is that there are some items that are stored at the Amazon facility, so it will be shipped with Prime free delivery. Amazon has another used option that I don't use much, but it is called Amazon Renew. It will state the item name and then in brackets, renewed. So what it is Amazon has taken things that are broken and basically fixed them with new parts. I personally don't like buying broken then fixed. I rather just buy used instead. I don't know how Amazon goes about grading the item in terms of a complete fix before putting it back on the market again, but they give you 90 days to return the item if you find something wrong. So those are the Amazon options when buying used. When buying used in general, always read the item description in detail. View the seller's profile to look at their reviews and look to see if there is any return policy. If you want to make sure a camera or a lens has a valid warranty, be sure to check that as well, as some lenses and gear are considered to be gray market. Also, I don't always go with the cheapest, but I still buy it way under the price listed as new. One more thing, I'm not sponsored by Amazon for saying this, but if you do buy a lot from them, they offer a stored credit card. The card offers payment plans. When I make these huge purchases, I have the option to pay it off within 6 or 12 months without any interest. The card does earn you 5% back as well. So if you found this video helpful in deciding to buy used from Amazon, give a like and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.